Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered, how vast is this space? It's an expanse that stretches beyond our comprehension, an ever-expanding universe teeming with galaxies, stars, and planets. Each celestial body, a story waiting to be discovered, a mystery awaiting unraveling. Our ancestors, too, were captivated by this unfathomable universe. They looked to the stars and saw patterns, creating constellations that guided their way. These early observations marked the humble beginnings of humanity's quest to understand space, leading to the birth of astronomy, a science that has since evolved to uncover the secrets of the cosmos. From the ancient civilizations who mapped their world by the stars, to the modern astronomers who probe the depths of the universe with powerful telescopes, our understanding of space has come a long way. Yet it remains a frontier of endless possibilities and infinite wonders. From mere observations of the night sky, humanity has come a long way in its understanding of the universe. Can you believe that once upon a time, our understanding of space was limited to what we could see with the naked eye? Our perspective changed dramatically around the beginning of the 17th century, with the invention of an instrument that would bridge the gap between us and the stars, the telescope. This simple device, a tube with lenses at either end, magnified distant objects and brought the heavens closer. The first man to point a telescope towards the sky was Galileo Galilei. He made a series of groundbreaking discoveries that changed our understanding of the universe. He identified the craters on the moon, the phases of Venus, and most importantly, he saw that the Milky Way was composed of countless stars. It was through telescopes that we first recognized the existence of other planets in our solar system. Jupiter's 4 largest moons, now known as the Galilean moons, were discovered. Saturn's rings were observed. And these observations led to an earth-shattering realization. Earth was not the center of the universe. Instead, it was just one of many planets orbiting the sun. The era of telescopes also saw the birth of astrophysics, the study of the physical nature of celestial objects. Stars were not just points of light, they were distant suns, with their own set of characteristics. Nebulae were not just cloudy patches in the sky, they were vast regions of gas and dust, the birthplaces of stars. Telescopes also allowed us to look beyond our own galaxy. They revealed a universe filled with countless galaxies, each containing billions of stars. The scale of the universe was staggering, and it made us realize how small we are in the grand scheme of things. The telescope was more than just an instrument. It was a window that allowed us to peer into the cosmos. It expanded our horizons and changed the way we saw ourselves. It fueled our curiosity and set us on a path of discovery and exploration. The telescope opened our eyes and the universe to endless possibilities. What if you could fly so high that you leave the Earth's atmosphere behind? Quite the thought, isn't it? Well, this was no longer a figment of imagination, but a reality achieved by humanity in the mid-20th century. The dawn of space travel began with the launch of the first man-made object to orbit the Earth, a satellite known as Sputnik. This historical event took place in October of 1957, courtesy of the Soviet Union, an achievement that sent shockwaves around the globe and marked the beginning of what we now famously call the space race. The space race was a period of intense competition between two superpowers of the time, the United States and the Soviet Union. Both nations were desperate to prove their superiority, not only on Earth but beyond. It was a race to conquer the final frontier, the vast expanse of space. However, it was the Soviet Union that took the lead, once again with the first manned mission to space. This is where we meet Yuri Gagarin, a name that will forever be etched in the annals of human history. On the 12th of April 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human to break free from the Earth's atmosphere and journey into space. Aboard the spacecraft Vostok 1, Gagarin completed one orbit around the Earth, an achievement that was nothing short of extraordinary. This monumental event was a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. It was the first time we had reached beyond our home planet, the first time that we had truly broken free from the Earth's gravitational pull. This was not just about winning a race or proving superiority. It was about exploration, discovery, and expanding the boundaries of our understanding. It was about taking risks and challenging the unknown. It was about pushing the limits of what we thought was possible. Breaking free from Earth's atmosphere, we had taken our first steps into the vast unknown. Imagine being the first person to set foot on an alien world. Envision the Apollo moon landing, a feat of human ingenuity and determination that forever altered our understanding of what is possible. On July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong, representing all of humanity, took that monumental, giant leap for mankind on the moon's desolate surface. This was not just a triumph of American engineering and spirit, but a victory for the entire human race. The Apollo missions were about so much more than planting a flag on lunar soil. They signaled a new era of technological advancements and scientific discovery. They spurred developments in computers, materials science, and telecommunications. The miniaturization of electronics, the birth of software engineering, and even the creation of freeze-dried food. These are the legacies of our lunar explorations. But humanity didn't stop at the moon. Our cosmic curiosity pushed us further, to planets like Mars and Jupiter, and to the outer edges of our solar system. The Voyager probes, the Mars rovers, the Hubble Space Telescope. These are our eyes and ears in the vast expanse of space, sending back data and images that continue to redefine our understanding of the universe. In the year 2000, we saw the establishment of the International Space Station, a marvel of international cooperation and scientific progress. Orbiting our planet every 90 minutes, it's a testament to our collective desire to understand, explore, and inhabit the cosmos. The ISS serves as a stepping stone for future space exploration, a laboratory for cutting-edge research, and a beacon of hope for a world often divided by terrestrial conflicts. From the moon to Mars, our footprints are becoming cosmic. As we stand on the precipice of a new era of space exploration, we're reminded of the words of Carl Sagan, "The sky calls to us. If we do not destroy ourselves, we will one day venture to the stars." We've taken our first steps. Now we look to the horizon, to the planets beyond, and to the mysteries they hold. What does the future hold for our exploration of space? This question sparks a sense of wonder and anticipation, doesn't it? As we look to the future, we find ourselves in the midst of an exciting era of space exploration. We're not just talking about government agencies like NASA or the European Space Agency anymore. Today, an increasing number of private companies, such as SpaceX and Blue Origin, are playing pivotal roles in our journey to the stars. Let's take a moment to discuss some of the current and future missions that are shaping our understanding of the universe. One of the most exciting is the Mars rover mission. These robotic explorers, like the Perseverance rover, are our eyes and ears on the red planet. They're helping us understand the Martian environment and searching for signs of past microbial life, a task that could redefine our understanding of life itself. But why stop at robots? There are plans underway for manned missions to Mars. These audacious missions aim to put human footprints on Martian soil within the next 2 decades. Imagine that, humans living and working on another planet. In addition to Mars, we're also continuing our search for extraterrestrial life in other corners of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope, set to be the most powerful telescope ever built, will peer into the farthest reaches of the universe, looking for signs of life on exoplanets orbiting distant stars. On top of all these, private companies are democratizing space travel. Companies like SpaceX aim to make space travel accessible to not just astronauts, but to everyday people, ushering in the era of space tourism. The future of space exploration is a thrilling blend of science, technology, and a dash of daring. It promises to expand our horizons and redefine what's possible. As we stand on the precipice of a new era in space exploration, one can only dream of the wonders that await us. So, how much do we really know about space? This journey has taken us from our initial conception of the universe as an unfathomable cosmic ocean to the era of telescopes that expanded our vision beyond the naked eye. We've defied the bonds of gravity, breaking through the atmosphere and setting foot on the moon. Our ambitions didn't stop there. With plans laid out for future exploration, reaching far beyond our lunar neighbor, we've marveled at the grandeur of galaxies, stars, and planets, a spectacle of celestial bodies that never cease to amaze us. Our understanding of space has grown exponentially, yet it remains in many ways a final frontier. Each discovery only sparks more questions. Each venture into the unknown fuels our curiosity. We've come a long way in our understanding of space, but the universe still holds many secrets for us to uncover. Our journey is far from over. The cosmos, vast and mysterious, continues to beckon us towards the stars.